In 2024, we are going to bet more on video marketing, especially YouTube as a channel for our particular application. Since 2020, we started publishing more of our webinars, training sessions on YouTube, and we started seeing some good results. But in 2023, we discovered people are more interested in short form content. Hence, we started to do more of these shorts and TikTok videos based on the region where we publish these videos. So these videos are also useful for us to repurpose and embed into our help pages. So if a customer is going to do an integration of a particular solution with another solution, they don't need to really read a long help page content. Rather, they can check out these videos and they can configure this integration themselves. So yeah, our prediction for 2024 is short form content and to rely on YouTube as our primary distribution channel. Thank you.
I think one of the key areas where AI will have a huge impact on marketing in the upcoming years in 2024 and beyond is in hyper personalization of the customer journey. So, like up until now, what most marketers have been doing is that typically we've been segmenting customers into a few or multiple different buckets, but these segments have usually been based on certain macro factors like the customer's region, the region where they're from, their age group, the products that they bought from us, things like that. And we have created a certain product journey or path for each of these customers, and we've called that personalization. But now with AI, it opens up a whole host of new possibilities. With AI, we can now get into customer data at a much more granular level. We can analyze customers' behavior, their preferences. We can identify their path across various different touch points and channels in real time and make a real time decision on the next best experience for that customer, or even maybe dynamically create content that we can serve to that customer, right? So I think with AI, we now have the potential to create highly individualized or hyper personalized journeys for our customers, which will have significant positive impacts, or which will have a significant positive impact on conversions and also the customer's experience with our brand.
What are the few things that usually makes a marketer unproductive or inefficient? Starting would be your repetitive tasks. Second would be silos that kind of keep relevant information away from you. Third would be difficulty in getting those great first ideas to shape. And fourth would be something around difficulty in getting those ideas actually into production and, working with other functions like marketing or product. Now look at what these generative AI tools do as well, right? What do? They do the exact same things as well. So marketers who use AI to their advantage will eventually become better at collaboration, right? So they now have better first drafts, they now have better prototypes, they have cross-functional data and things like that. So as leaders, it's always better to start experimenting with these AI tools within your workplace, and of course, by protecting your sensitive data from it.
AI helps understand customer behavior faster and better, and also provides the necessary information to teams so that they can tailor the content based on customer behavior. Eventually, the quality of marketing that the teams provide improves because of better insights derived by AI. So be it chatbots or automated marketing campaigns, or even AI being involved in analyzing web traffic to improve SEO, or you could also take content generation tools, for example. Overall, AI elevates the game of marketers by providing them a supporting hand.
AI is going to impact marketing a whole lot in 2024. ChatGPT has already been around for more than a year now, and people have warmed up to the idea. Gen AI will be used for content creation a whole lot in 2024. And I see that marketers will pretty much use it for content creation. And at the same time, they will also be infusing it with their own creativity. That is going to be very, very important. The other thing that I would like to highlight is personalization. Personalization is absolutely critical for marketing going forward. Gone are the days of mass marketing campaigns. Marketers can use Gen AI for personalizing their marketing campaigns as well as messages. And this is going to lead to better ROI, customer loyalty, and definitely better engagement. So these are the impacts that Gen AI will have on marketing in 2024.
I'm looking to leverage AI for my marketing team in 2024 in three ways. Okay, the first thing is the marketer productivity, wherein AI should be able to actually keep the consistency of my content, and it can also knock off the requirement of an editor. This is the first thing. Second thing is about using AI for content planning. So content planning is actually by comparing against my competition, and it can actually give topics that are trending. So that is second thing. Third thing is about generating some knowledge bases out of frequently asked questions in my desk, and I wanted to create knowledge bases automatically using AI. So these are the three areas I'm looking to leverage AI in 2024.
I vividly remember the first time I tried ChatGPT 3. It just blew my mind because the work was pretty solid, right? So I spent a considerable amount of time introspecting how this could hit marketers. Thankfully, our leadership ensured that we are safe because they basically promised that there are not going to be any layoffs. So with this confidence, we started exploring AI tools to their maximum capacity. And this is how I think AI will hit marketers. The first one is individual contributors will have to think like leaders because now they have a very powerful assistant that can execute on work. And second thing is originality in picking problems is becoming more important than executing on the solutions. And the third trend is we are moving from an era of mediocre content, mediocre copy to generic content, right? Because all content is kind of starting to look the same with a lot of AI generated content. So original thinkers have an amazing opportunity to stand out because AI cannot write original content. So if you have a deep insight that you have gained over a lot of introspection, that will be amazing content today. So this is how I think AI will hit marketing.
Where it has worked best for us is in the content strategy and content creation process, where we see that there are three layers where we get good results. One is at the content strategy level, where we see that when creating a content strategy for a particular pillar, we see that AI can support us in building a good strategy, maybe act as a partner in creating at least 50% of the strategy that we are looking at. Then it comes to, say, the second layer is when we look at the outlining stage, which is very specific to writing a piece of content. So at the outlining stage, an AI like a ChatGPT or a Bard can help us create multiple versions of the outline for a given topic if we explain what we are trying to achieve properly. And this can help us in combining all those and getting better results out of it. And the third layer is the refinement stage. Once you have written the content piece and you want to refine it, say if you feel that a certain part of the content is not up to the mark, so you can run it through AI tools to get a better version of it.